The following video is an appraisal of one of my Skype students, who would like to be known as Dragonfly, playing Michael Pretorius' Bransle de la Torche for Grade 3 ABRSM piano. This piece is marked in cut time or 2/2 time and should be dance-like in character, so maybe a faster tempo would be more suited to the character of the piece. However, there was a lot of attention to detail such as the long-held semibreves at the beginning, and this would score positively in the exam. The 2 in a bar feel is also emphasized by the lifts in the slurs halfway through the bar, for example in bar 7. Unfortunately, this performance slurred right through these lifts. Also, be careful to hold the bottom dotted minim in bar 8. A little more contrast between the piano and forte sections would have given this piece more musical shaping, and be careful to lift the right hand minims exactly on the 3rd beat when they are followed by a minim rest. You did this well in bars 9 and 10, but not quite so precisely in the next couple of bars, where they lingered over into the 3rd beat somewhat. Again in bar 15, observe the break in the slur in the middle of the bar. Some nice attention to note lengths, especially the lower semibreves with staccato 2nd beats above, was observed from bars 17 to 24. The spread chords from bar 25 were sometimes, but not always consistently observed, and although a little ritardando would be quite stylistic to end this piece, because of your initial rather slow overall tempo, it felt a little lethargic towards the end. Overall, this performance would score about 24 marks out of 30, which could be dramatically improved by a more dance-like character at a faster tempo, with more dynamic contrast.